wonder if it's even worth trying to undermine what's going on right now on the stand. She just seems such a wonderful person. The other thing I want to say is, basically based on the cross-examinations we heard, we know the defense is trying to establish diminished capacity. And I submit to you that there is a relatively compelling case, you can disagree with me if you want, for a diminished capacity. This woman was certainly having delusions. It seemed like she certainly believed the things she was saying. She said it to a lot of different people. But my question is, to what effect is that? Is that going to help them in any way when we talk about this first-degree murder charge?
Here's my opinion on this. My opinion is that they had no choice. They have no choice but to execute and do it. You can look at it from a textbook standpoint, and they might meet the elements. From my experience in my career and looking at other cases, there's exactly a 0% chance that a jury in Tennessee is going to buy it and let her off the hook. Now, we've seen cases, one in Akron, Ohio, we've analyzed them on TV, and all of us looked at it and said, you know what, they've met the threshold. And the jury still comes back and they say, because juries have been incorrectly brainwashed to think that these defenses are just excuses. I don't agree with juries when they take that position, but they've been interviewed after the case. And listen, they showed you every expert, you know, the girl that killed her mom and stabbed her. Why did you rule that this defense does not apply? Well, because I think it's an excuse. So I agree with you, Michael, that this is a good way to go, but also it's the only way, in my opinion, that they can defend, because she called the police, and the woman, when she was dying, called the police and said, this woman stabbed me. So if you're the defense attorney, you have literally no choice, no defense other than a diminished capacity, especially after interviewing the defendant and realizing that she actually did have a diminished capacity. But the chances of success, in my opinion now, I've changed my opinion in the past decade. I now say there's a 0% chance of success.